Thinking about upgrading your home security? The Ring Doorbell is a popular choice, but does it live up to the hype? We're diving deep into its features, performance, and value to help you decide if it's the right video doorbell for your home. The Ring Doorbell stands out for its user-friendly design. Installation is remarkably simple, often taking less than 30 minutes for both wired and battery models. The accompanying app is intuitive, making setup and daily use straightforward for everyone. Seamless integration with Amazon Alexa is another major advantage. As an Amazon-owned product, Ring devices work effortlessly with Echo Show and other Alexa-enabled devices. You can view live feeds, receive alerts, and engage in two-way talk using simple voice commands. Video quality is consistently solid across most models, offering 1080p HD resolution. Newer versions like the Pro 2 boast advanced features such as head-to-toe video and radar-based motion detection. Night vision is effective, and the wide field of view captures significant activity. Ring also benefits from a vast user community and strong brand recognition. This translates to frequent software updates, extensive third-party support, and a generally reliable product ecosystem. These factors contribute to a robust and evolving security experience. However, no product is without its drawbacks, and Ring is no exception. A significant concern for many users revolves around privacy. Ring has faced scrutiny regarding its partnerships with law enforcement and data sharing practices. While Ring has implemented measures to enhance privacy, these issues remain a deal-breaker for some. It's crucial for potential buyers to weigh their comfort level with these policies. Another consideration is the ongoing cost. While the hardware is competitively priced, full functionality requires a Ring Protect subscription. This service, starting at $4/month, unlocks cloud video storage and advanced notifications, adding to the total ownership cost. Motion detection, while improved, isn't always perfect. Users in busy areas may experience frequent false alerts from passing vehicles or animals. Although customizable zones help, some competitors offer more precise detection capabilities. So, is the Ring Doorbell the ultimate smart security solution? It truly depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're an existing Alexa user seeking an easy-to-install, well-integrated system with reliable features, Ring is a strong contender. However, if privacy is your top concern or you demand the absolute highest video resolution, alternatives like Nest or Arlo might be more suitable. Similarly, if you prefer Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit integration, other brands offer better compatibility. Ring offers a compelling package, but best is subjective. Evaluate your personal requirements to determine if it aligns with your home security goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home reviews. Stay secure, and we'll see you next time.